Hi, I'm Chris Strom, and in this video we're going to show you how to do the mounting and installation of the Aqua-Lab system.
Install injectors into corresponding numbered ports. This is determined by how you wired the home run cable. Triple foam manifold should be installed in port number 1. Install versatiles into the brackets. Connect the versatile hose to the injector. Ensure that the versatile tubing is routed only in an upward direction. Connect foaming air lines to the bulkhead fittings located at the top of the Aqua-Lab panel. Using an injector optimization tool, ensure adequate solution pressure to the applicator. This is an example of proper application from a banana foamer. If the outlet pressure is low, increasing the injector size is recommended. This is an example of what a banana foamer looks like with too little liquid volume. That completes the optimization of your new system. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other tutorial videos.